My passion for probably started right back in high school. Absolute love of biology. I knew that was something that I wanted to do with the rest of my life. So I studied it at high school, college, university. The biggest factor probably in my decision to take the path that I'm on today was my mum was diagnosed with breast cancer when I was in my second year at university. And that was a tough journey. I needed to leave university a couple of months early and go home, take care of my mum and my younger sisters, and just be there to help. And there were a couple of things that happened to me during that process. My mum actually took part in a clinical trial, one of those really early clinical trials in tamoxifen. And if you consider, she was diagnosed on her 40th birthday, and she's alive and well today, just turned 70. And she was part of that. And I truly believe that my mum taking part in that clinical trial saved her life and is why she is here with us today, alive and well. But I went through that journey with her, and I sat on the other side of the table as you know, as a part of that patient support for my mum. And I was completely blown away by what happened, and had actually no idea about clinical trials before I'd seen that happen. What technology will do for us at an icon level is, and COVID actually really helped us with that, is the ability to bring clinical trials to patients that don't live in metro regions. So it's telehealth, it's teletrials, it's decentralized clinical trials, and the technology that goes with that. It shouldn't matter whether we live in Toowoomba or Townsville or Brisbane. Patients should have the same equitable access to treatment. And I think that is going to be the biggest game changer for us in across ICON, is having access to that technology. I think I've been privileged to be involved in some groundbreaking clinical trials, particularly when I was a study coordinator. So some of the big drugs I was involved in was the rollout of tamoxifen and rituximab, and then later on Herceptin and Keytruda. So all of those drugs now that are just standard of care, I was privileged to be involved in those early trials when they were first coming through. I think for me, the biggest difference, without a doubt, is it's becoming so much more personalised. When my mum went through treatment, breast cancer was breast cancer. If you look at it now, it's about 20 different subtypes, and everybody gets a much more personalised approach to their treatment. I think with the advance in theranostics, with CAR T, CAR B, CAR NK treatment, we're seeing a lot more GMO vaccine specific studies. It's just become a lot more personalized and a lot more directed to what the patient actually needs based on their tumor type. When I was in the early 2000s, it was more that we'll hit it with a drug that does everything and hope for the best, whereas now we're able to take much more time and have that direct and targeted treatment. And every time we offer a patient a clinical trial, we're offering them hope. For me, I don't think there's any other better reason to get out of bed every day. It's hope. That's what we bring every day. We do that across all of ICON, but in research, we're giving that hope that wasn't there with any other option. And I think knowing that, it really drives me in everything that I do every day.